friends! The world we see around us is largely known to us through the senses. We use different senses of our body to interact with our physical world. We use our senses of touch to feel the object, and our skin helps us in detecting different sensations. We use our sense of smell to differentiate between smells coming from various things, and our nose helps in identifying that. Similarly, our ears help us in hearing different sounds. But out of all, the sense of sight is one of the most important senses. Whatever you are able to see is only through your sense of vision or sense of sight. Like you are able to see this video and you are able to see me on the screen with the help of your sense of sight. Now, the question that arises is, what makes a scene possible? Or what makes things visible? Have you ever thought how we see various objects? You may say that eyes see the objects. And you are absolutely right. Eyes give us the sense of sight. So, when our eyes are closed, we cannot see anything. Now, here's an interesting question. Can you see any object in the dark, even if your eyes are wide open? No, right? It means that eyes alone cannot make the vision possible. It is only when light from an object enters our eyes, we see the object. The light may have been emitted by the object or may have been reflected by it. You learned in class 7 that a polished or a shiny surface can act as a mirror. A mirror changes the direction of light that falls on it. Can you tell me in which direction the light falling on a surface will be reflected? We will find out in our next module. Let us now recap the important points we have learned in this module. Whatever you are able to see is only through your sense of vision or sense of sight. Eyes give us the sense of sight. Eyes alone cannot make the vision possible. When light from an object enters our eyes, we are able to see that object. With this, we come to the end of this module. See you again in another module.